Discover the most innovative and coolest Amazon gadgets you didn't know about in this mega compilation. From unique tech gadgets to smart home devices, we've got you covered. Explore the latest and greatest in Gadget Review, featuring the most useful kitchen gadgets, smart gadgets, and innovative devices that will make your life easier. Whether you're looking for cool tech under $50, this video has it all. Get ready to upgrade your daily routine with these amazing Amazon finds and Temu products that will blow your mind. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to uncover the coolest gadgets you never knew you needed. Number 1. Boardrop Board. The Boardrop Board sports controller is an innovative Kickstarter project merging gaming with fitness. Designed as a balance board, it introduces an interactive way to exercise while playing video games. The controller syncs with popular gaming platforms, enabling users to navigate, steer, or control in-game characters using body movements. Its durable, ergonomic design ensures stability and comfort, accommodating various fitness levels. With features like motion sensors and haptic feedback, the Boardrop Board offers an immersive gaming experience that promotes physical activity. Perfect for fitness enthusiasts, gamers, or families seeking active entertainment, it transforms workouts into fun, engaging sessions. By combining health and technology, the Boardrop Board sports controller redefines how we approach fitness in the gaming world. Number 2. M10 Robotic Mower. The UBHome M10 Robotic Mower is a cutting-edge solution for effortless lawn maintenance. Equipped with advanced AI navigation, it efficiently trims grass with precision while avoiding obstacles. This robotic mower features customizable mowing schedules, allowing users to tailor operations to their convenience. Its powerful battery supports extended operation, and the self-charging capability ensures continuous functionality. The UBHome M10 is designed for durability and operates quietly, making it suitable for residential use. Safety sensors prevent collisions and protect pets or children in the yard. Weather-resistant construction ensures reliable performance in various conditions. With its eco-friendly, low-maintenance design, the UBHome M10 Robotic Mower offers a smart, hands-free way to keep lawns perfectly manicured, saving time and effort for homeowners. Number 3. VitaLink Wireless Charger. The VitaLink 3-in-1 wireless charger is a sleek and versatile charging solution designed to power multiple devices simultaneously. With dedicated charging zones for smartphones, smartwatches, and wireless earbuds, it eliminates the need for multiple chargers and cables. Compatible with all Qi-enabled devices, the VitaLink charger supports fast charging, ensuring your gadgets are ready in no time. Its compact, modern design fits seamlessly into any home or office setup, while the non-slip surface keeps devices secure during charging. Built-in safety features, such as overcharge, overheat, and short-circuit protection, provide peace of mind. The charger's energy-efficient technology reduces power consumption, making it an eco-friendly choice. Whether for work or leisure, the VitaLink 3-in-1 wireless charger delivers convenience and efficiency in a single, elegant package. Number 4. Scope Pro. The Scope Pro monitor is a cutting-edge display designed to elevate productivity and visual experiences. Featuring a stunning high-resolution screen with vibrant colors and sharp details, it's ideal for professionals, gamers, and creatives alike. Its ultra-thin bezels offer an immersive viewing experience, while adjustable settings, including brightness, contrast, and color calibration, ensure optimal performance for various tasks. The monitor supports multiple connectivity options like HDMI, USB-C, and DisplayPort, ensuring seamless compatibility with diverse devices. Eye care technology, including blue light filters and flicker-free performance, reduces strain during extended use. With its sleek design and sturdy build, the Scope Pro monitor enhances any workspace. Perfect for multitasking, video editing, or gaming, this versatile monitor delivers exceptional performance, combining style, functionality, and cutting-edge technology in one. Number 5. Yeslamp Ace Desk Lamp. The Yeslamp Ace Desk Lamp is a sleek and modern lighting solution designed for maximum efficiency and eye comfort. Featuring adjustable brightness levels and color temperatures, it caters to various needs, from reading to working. Its ergonomic design includes a flexible neck for precise positioning, ensuring optimal lighting angles. The lamp is energy efficient, equipped with LED technology that reduces power consumption and lasts longer. It also features touch controls, a USB charging port for added convenience, and a memory function to save preferred settings. The minimalist design seamlessly blends with any decor, making it ideal for homes, offices, or study spaces. The Yeslamp base is the perfect blend of style, functionality, and durability, offering a premium experience for everyday use. Number 6. Xiaomi CyberDog. The Xiaomi CyberDog is an advanced robotic quadruped designed to showcase cutting-edge AI and robotics technology. Equipped with a high-performance NVIDIA Jetson Xavier NX AI supercomputer, it processes vast data for real-time decision-making. The CyberDog features a dynamic, ultra-precise movement system capable of agile tasks like running, jumping, and navigating diverse terrains. Its 11 high-precision sensors, including touch, cameras, and GPS, provide environmental awareness and interaction capabilities. The robot supports voice commands and customizable programming for developers, making it a versatile platform for innovation. With an open-source framework, it encourages creativity and exploration in robotics. Combining futuristic design, intelligent functionality, and exceptional mobility, the Xiaomi CyberDog represents a leap forward in personal robotics and AI experimentation. Number 7. Jelly Star. The Jelly Star is the world's smallest smartphone running Android 13, offering cutting-edge functionality in a compact, pocket-friendly design. With a 3-inch HD touchscreen, it delivers a crisp and vibrant display while maintaining extreme portability. Powered by a MediaTek Helio G99 processor and 8 GB of RAM, it provides smooth performance for everyday tasks. The phone boasts 256 GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD, ensuring ample space for apps, photos, and files. Despite its size, the Jelly Star features a 48MP rear camera and an 8MP front camera for quality photography. It includes a 2000 mAh battery, dual SIM support, and 5G connectivity, making it both practical and versatile. Designed for minimalists and travelers, the Jelly Star combines advanced technology with unmatched portability, redefining convenience in modern smartphones. Number 8. Baseus Earbuds. The Baseus Earbuds are stylish, high-performance wireless earbuds designed to deliver exceptional sound quality and comfort. Equipped with advanced Bluetooth 5.3 technology, they ensure a stable and seamless connection with low latency, ideal for music, calls, and gaming. The earbuds feature high-fidelity drivers for immersive audio, offering deep bass and crystal-clear treble. With noise cancellation technology, they reduce ambient noise, ensuring clear communication and an uninterrupted listening experience. The ergonomic design provides a secure, comfortable fit for extended use, while the lightweight build adds to the convenience. Boasting up to 28 hours of battery life with the charging case, the Eli earbuds keep up with your busy lifestyle. Intuitive touch controls and IPX5 water resistance make them versatile and perfect for workouts, commutes, and leisure. Number 9. Beeline Velo 2. The Beeline Velo 2 is an innovative GPS cycling computer designed to provide cyclists with a streamlined, easy-to-use navigation experience. Featuring a compact, minimalist design, it offers essential cycling metrics such as speed, distance, and ride time, all displayed on a clear, high-contrast screen. With its unique, turn-by-turn navigation, the Velo 2 guides cyclists to their destination with simple directional arrows, minimizing distractions during rides. The device syncs with your smartphone via Bluetooth, allowing seamless access to route planning, tracking, and other data via the Beeline app. It boasts a long-lasting battery life of up to 10 hours and is water-resistant, making it suitable for various weather conditions. Whether for daily commutes or long rides, the Beeline Velo 2 offers an efficient, user-friendly solution for cyclists seeking reliable navigation and performance tracking. Number 10. Enabot. This innovation is a versatile, AI-powered robot designed to enhance everyday life with intelligent features and interactive capabilities. With its sleek design and advanced technology, Enabot acts as both a companion and assistant, capable of performing a variety of tasks. It features voice recognition, facial tracking, and real-time communication, making it ideal for personal interactions, remote family connections, and home assistance. Enabot is equipped with a high-definition camera, providing video conferencing and surveillance capabilities. Its mobility allows it to navigate and monitor different areas of the home, and its AI adapts to users' preferences for a personalized experience. With an intuitive app, users can control Enabot's functions, making it an essential tool for enhancing home automation, communication, and entertainment.
Number 11. OlarHike Air Compressor. The OlarHike Portable Air Compressor is a compact, powerful tool designed to provide quick and easy inflation for various items, including car tires, bikes, sports equipment, and inflatable devices. With a robust motor and digital pressure gauge, it ensures accurate inflation with up to 150 psi of pressure. The air compressor features multiple nozzle attachments for different valve types, making it versatile for a wide range of applications. Its portable, lightweight design and built-in rechargeable battery allow for convenient use on the go, ideal for road trips or outdoor activities. The compressor also includes an automatic shut-off function when the desired pressure is reached, ensuring safety and efficiency. With its user-friendly interface and reliable performance, the OlarHike Portable Air Compressor is a must-have for everyday convenience. Number 12. ErGear Adjustable Desk. The ErGear Height Adjustable Electric Standing Desk is a versatile and ergonomic desk designed to improve productivity and well-being by offering adjustable height settings. Powered by an electric motor, it allows users to seamlessly transition between sitting and standing positions at the touch of a button. The desk features a spacious work surface, providing ample space for monitors, laptops, and other office equipment. Its sturdy frame ensures durability, while the smooth and quiet motor operation enhances convenience. With customizable height settings, it accommodates a wide range of users. Ideal for home offices or professional workspaces, the ErGear standing desk promotes better posture and helps reduce the health risks associated with prolonged sitting. Number 13. BAYU Smart Kit. The BAYU Auto Outdoor Smart Kit Pro, power 19,200 mAh, is a versatile and compact solution designed for outdoor and automotive use. This powerful kit includes multiple essential tools for convenience and efficiency, all housed in one package. It features a tire inflator for quick inflation, a vacuum cleaner for keeping your car interior spotless, and a car washer to maintain your vehicle's exterior. The kit also incorporates a high-powered flashlight, ideal for emergencies or outdoor activities. Additionally, it comes with a mobile phone holder, providing hands-free functionality while on the go. Powered by a robust 19,200 mAh battery, this smart kit offers long-lasting performance, ensuring you're never without power. Its portability and multifunctionality make it a valuable tool for outdoor enthusiasts, road trips, or everyday use, offering convenience, reliability, and practicality all in one device. Number 14. Popchose Fabric Shaver. The Popchose Fabric Shaver is a versatile and efficient tool designed to remove fuzz, lint, and pills from clothes, upholstery, and fabrics. Its powerful motor and durable blades provide smooth and even results, ensuring your fabrics look fresh and revitalized. Featuring a large shaving head, it quickly covers a wider area, making the process faster. The device is lightweight and ergonomic, ensuring comfortable use, even for extended periods. With an adjustable shaving height, it offers flexibility for different fabric types, from delicate to thicker materials. Its removable lint container allows for easy cleaning and maintenance. Ideal for clothes, furniture, and bedding, the Popchose Fabric Shaver is a practical solution to keep your fabrics looking new and well-maintained.